Hey guys, I am Omkar from Computer Skills and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Computer Skills. Well, when we were beginners, we were also having curiosity that how to make a countdown watch in PPT. Well, many of the beginners or my friends also used to tell me that making countdown watch in a PPT is impossible or it may be difficult. But if you think so, then you are wrong. It is very much easy. Yes, it is time consuming, but not much. It consumes time. So now let's see how does it looks. So now without wasting time, let's begin. Before that, I may tell you that please do not skip any part of video. So the watch I am going to show you look like this. You can see a beautiful watch here, and now on a click the countdown starts from 5. So this is the countdown watch, and you can extend the time. I have done 5 seconds. You can make it more after learning this animation. So now let's see how to make that. I open a new presentation, and first I will delete this. I don't want this. So now go to insert shape, and in basic shape select this one which is named circle hollow. I will draw this. Go to format. Now I'll make its height and width to 13 centimeter. Okay, and now I will make it smaller. Okay, now again I will go to home, select this oval. I will draw a random first, then go to height in format tab, and I will make its height to 12 centimeter and also width to 12 centimeter. Okay, now I will arrange here. Okay, now I will send it back. Okay, now let us give this color. So now I will give this shape color. Now right click on it, go to format shape, go to gradient fill, and I will choose this last and give your second last color from the black chart. Give the same color here. Now here its position is 50%, the middle one. I will give white color. I will make another stop here. I will give second last color from the gray chart. Same I will make here and give the same color. Okay, now let us make this to 100 degree the angle. Okay, so now let us start with our animation. So I will animate this first 5 number. I will select it, go to fade animation, make duration to 0.25 second. Okay, and apply the same animation to all these number wise, that is from 5 4 3 2 1, from descending order to ascending. Okay, now I animated this all the same fade animation to everyone, and the duration 0.25 second. So now we have to do simply click on the second one, start with the second one, and right click on it and say start after previous. Okay, say start after previous. Repeat the same for everyone. Say start after previous except the first one. Say for everyone start after previous. Okay, now this is completed. Now this is about their entrance effect. So now we have to also give their exit effect. So I will again select this number 5, go to add animation, go to disappear. First I will bring it below the number 5 animation, then let us make the duration to 1 second. Okay, now right click on it and say start with previous. Okay, and repeat the same steps for this one also. So now I have completed animation, the exit animation. Now we will play it. Before that I will place these numbers over the number 5. I will overlap it. Then you select everyone, go to home, say arrange and say align center. Okay, now let us play. Okay, so it is working properly and we have completed this. Okay, now let us give the color to this circle. Go to again gradient fill. Now this time make it to 90 degree first. I will delete these stops. I only want 3 stops. I will make this to 50%. Okay, again delete this one. I will make this stop to black color and the first stop to black color and the middle stop. Okay, let it be this color only, that is second last from the gray chart. Okay, so now it looks very much perfect. Now let us select them all. Go to shape outline, make the outline black color. Okay, now what we will do, we will add this text tool. Now let us change the font size to 250. Okay, now I will write here number 5. I will change its color to white. Before that let me change the background color so that these numbers are visible. Okay, now I will adjust this to your middle. And this two I will go here and say align middle. Okay, now it looks perfect. Now hold this and press Ctrl plus D. Now take them to separate positions. Again let me make 2 duplicates. Okay, now this is fine. Now let us give this number 4. Let me give this number 3, 2 and this one 1. Okay, so I have changed their numbers. You can see that. Let us give them all names so that we can recognize them during animation. So I will select everyone and give the particular name here. 3 center. Likewise give every text box its a particular number so that we can recognize them. So now here you can see I have given the same numbers to all the toolbox so I can recognize them very easily. Now let us see the animation. Now before I will open first animation pen. Now before giving them animation, let me tell you one thing. Please do watch this video complete because I have 2 more themes for you. If you view this video complete, and I promise you that I will surely show you that. So please see this video complete. Now here if you want you can decorate. Now let me show you. I will make this some thicker. Close this first, then open the format background tab, go to solid fill, give the background color to white. Now I will add this one only from here. You can make it by yourself as you want. I have made this type. Let me copy this from here only by pressing Ctrl C. Now here Ctrl plus V. Okay, now I will send this to back, or I will bring this one to front. Okay, now likewise you can arrange it to everywhere like shown in this. These all are the same ones, and this one let me copy here. Okay, let me send this to back, and I will I will duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus D. In arrange I will say flip horizontally. I will bring it here send it to back. Now let me quickly show you this measurements if you want to make the same one. Let me ungroup it first. Now let me say this one rectangle, its height is 1.82 centimeter and width is 0.78 centimeter, and this one 1.23 centimeter height and width is 1.33 centimeter. Now if you want, you can give the gradient color. This is the same gradient color which was applied to here, only the thing is I have taken this to first and remaining I have put this back, and the first white color I have changed to light gray. This is the same shape with the gray color. Let me show you of this. So its height is 3 centimeter and width is 0.81 centimeter. This rectangle is 1.28 centimeter and width is 2.2 centimeter. And in the like you can, let me also tell of this one. Its height is 0.98 centimeter and width is 0.43 centimeter. And this circle, hollow circles with height is 4.6 centimeter and width is 4.95 centimeter. And this one is 0.98 centimeter and the width is 0.43 centimeter. Like where you have to just duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus T or tilt it, just apply it everywhere. Okay, now you can make it here first. You can arrange it here by duplicating it. Let me show you as I have done. Then you can press Ctrl and select this 4 first and then duplicate and arrange it likewise. Now I am not making that and showing because I have to show you more templates of countdown watch as I promised you. So now as I promised you that I will show you the 2 templates. So this one is the first one. Now on a click, a countdown watch starts. See how beautiful it looks. Now one more, let me show you. This is for suppose you are making a presentation on sports, then while starting you can apply this. Okay, so these were the 2 templates, and the third one which we have made, here the animation is the same, only the thing is I have just changed its background, and you can use it in any different situations. Only the thing is you must know this the animation. So let me quickly explain you this one's animation. Only the new one is this animation. So I have again used the hollow circle for this. I want to animation. Let me open your animation pen and show you. See, circle hollow. I have given the wheel animation, and here I have right click and go to effect options and then go to timing, and here repeat, select this. Now since I have make the countdown watch of 5 seconds, so I will select on number 5 and say OK. So it will be continuously repeat for 5 times. Okay, so as you seen here. Now again the second one, this is the same one like this, only the thing is I have removed this all things and this squares and just change its color. Let me go to format shape, show you. Okay, see gradient color. The third stop I have used black color. The position is 3%, and here second position 50%, the color is maroon, and the third I have used red color and its position is 100%. So you can see how beautiful it looks. And the background I have just simply added some boxes. Let me ungroup this. These are the square. Now it is same like the chessboard only. Let me again group this by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now I will show you how I turn this one to this one. The thing is, I select this, go to shape effect, go to reveal, select the last one, and again shape effect, 3D rotation. Under the perspective, select the second one and just arrange it by making it bigger so that it cover the complete slide. Okay, and this is only here, you can see, and these are the 3 templates which I have show you, and you must try it, and if you have any doubt, please comment below. I will surely solve it. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more informative and interesting videos.